On deck is event 211, Heat 3.
Take your marks.
Swimming lane 1, Drew Ashton Segura of Region 7, Central Visayas. Swimming lane 2, Jeff Skyler Tugov of Soxargen Region. Swimming lane 3, David Tristan Reyes of Region 4A, Calabarzon. Swimming lane 4, Jacob Michael Blanco of the National Capital Region. Swimming lane 5, Brennan Tenorio of Region 6, Western Visayas. Swimming lane 6, Francis Aiden Rivera of the National Capital Region. Swimming lane 7, John Anto de Quino of Region 7, Central Visayas. Swimming lane 8, Clark Felipe Lalisan of Caraga Region. We would like to inform you that there was a disqualification in event 211, Heat 2, Lane 5.